Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I'm here again with another Dollar Tree basket DIY. Y'all tired of these baskets or nah? Anyways, I'm going to be creating a vase, so I am cutting out the center of 2 of the 4 baskets that I purchased, and I will be attaching them together using my Gorilla Glue adhesive. And by the way, the basket is deep enough for flowers, so depending on how long your flowers are, you may not have to cut the bottom of the basket out. So I will be attaching all 4 baskets together, and it will be a pattern: 1 basket down, 1 basket up, and then again. And by the way, try to get the white baskets if you can. My Dollar Tree just didn't have them, so I had to get the green. And I will be letting this adhesive dry before I move on to the next step. After the baskets are dry, I'm going to take it outside and spray paint it metallic silver. Next, I'll be taking my Mod Podge and going over the basket. And one benefit you guys can get from watching this video is that when I mess up for all of us. So I'll make the mistakes so y'all don't have to make it. But this crushed mirror was not the best idea because it kept sliding off, and it was, very tricky to get on the skinny parts. Those middle parts were perfect. I had no issue with those. But the skinnier parts were just, you would have to do this like 20 times to get it to where you want it to be. But I'm going to let y'all continue to see me struggle. And then I'm going to let you know what I did next. So after I got tired of struggling, I went to Walmart and got this Gorilla Glue adhesive spray, and I sprayed it on top of the basket. And I just got this container of glitter, and I just sprinkled it on top, and it solved literally all of my issues. Like, I could have done this basket in like 10 minutes, and I'm low-key still mad about it, but I'll get over it. And be sure to lock the glitter in with your Mod Podge, or you can spray this adhesive bonding spray on top. After the basket was dry, I took a strip of this metallic poster board, and I'm going to put it around where the baskets meet. And I'm also adding another strip on the bottom. The last thing I'm going to do is add these crystal garlands around the top of the basket, or now turned vase. And I'm also going to add some on the second basket from last. And I added some flowers to it, and this is how it looked when it was finished. And I will be posting a DIY for the headboard in the back in a couple hours, so check back for that video. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. And as I stated on my last video, I do have another channel that I would like you guys to subscribe to, where I'll be posting music and fashion DIYs. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you later, glitter babes.